Learning a language can feel like a heavy weight. Some days the brain feels sharp and ready. Other days, every sentence looks like a wall of bricks. It is easy to look at people on the internet who seem to speak 5 languages fluently. That sight can make anyone feel small. It makes the feel and the expectation to master a new language feel so impossible. The truth is different. Real progress is when you're doing it in quiet. It happens in the moments when you choose to open a book, even when you're tired. It happens when you look at a word 10 times and finally remember it on the 11th try. Today might be a slow day. Maybe you only learned one new phrase. Maybe you spent the whole hour confused by the same grammar rule. That is perfectly fine. There is no race. No one is standing behind you with a stopwatch. If you move an inch today, you are closer to your goal than you were yesterday. Some days, you might not move at all. You might just maintain what you already know. That is still a victory. Staying in the game is the most important part of the process. Think about a garden. The plants do not grow visible inches every hour. They sit in the dirt. They take in the water. They also grow slowly beneath the surface. And learning English works the same way. Your mind is absorbing the sounds and the rhythms, even when you feel stuck. One day, you will realize you understand a song or a movie without checking the subtitles. That moment happens because of all the tiny, unproductive days you put in before. Be kind to yourself during the process. If you make a mistake, just, laugh at it. And if you forget a word, try to look it up again, because the effort itself is the achievement. You are showing up for your future self at this moment. That version of you will be grateful for the slow days. So keep going at your own pace. Your growth is yours alone. And believe it or not, every small step counts toward a bigger picture. And one last thing from me, just keep trying.